Okay, in our previous videos, we graphed this function, we answered some questions about domain and range and asymptotes. Um, and now what I want to do is evaluate the function at 56 and find x when f of x equals 12. So let's look at what we mean by f of 56. This is pretty straightforward. When it's f of 56, all I'm doing is I've replaced x with 56. So this would be 2 to the 56 plus 1 minus 3. However, here's where I run into the problem. 2 to the 56 plus 1, 2 to the 57th is a large number. It's 2 times 2 times 2 times dot dot dot. And this happens 57 times. So I don't really want to do this um, by hand, but I've already typed this into the calculator, the function here. So now I need to find x, or find the y value when x is 56. So if I go to my table, I can start the table at x equals 56, and if I go to second graph, when x is 56, y is, and the calculator tells me 1.4 e to the 17. So the calculator speak says 1.4 e to the 17. I believe that's what it said. Yes, 1.4 e to the 17. So that's saying 1.4 times 10 to the 17th power. So to get an idea of what this number looks like, you write 1.4, and since it's positive 17, you move this decimal place 17 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So essentially it's 1, 4, and then 16 zeros. So this is a huge number when x is 56. So when x is 56, we're out here, way out here on the x-axis, where we got to extend our x-axis to view 56. 56 would be off screen over here somewhere, and the y value would be extremely off screen in that direction. In fact, it would be in some ridiculous magnitude. But this is not a ridiculous magnitude when f of x equals 12, and in this problem I'm setting this part equal to 12. So this question is essentially 12 equals 2 to the x plus 1 minus 3, and I just need to solve this equation. But again, I'm simply looking for the x value when I have the y value of 12. And I have this in the calculator, so I might as well go look for that. So let's start the table at 0 and look through our table and see what's going on here. So right here, when x is 2, y is 5. When x is 3, y is 13. So I know it's somewhere between 2 and 3. Somewhere between 2 and 3. This standard view of the graph goes up to 10. So let's take our window up to, let's say, our y maximum up to 20. So if I take my y maximum, change my viewing window to 20, I can see more of the graph here. And to get a view of where y is 12, let's just type in y2. We'll make that equal to 12. Alright, so this is where y is equal to 12. Here's where my exponential function equals 12 is right here. I just need to find this x value associated at this point. So again, we're going to use our intersection feature. So we go to intersect, and that'll get us, we'll put the spider right there on the intersection, press enter 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and I have x is 2.907 and y is 12. So 2.907 is our x value, is the answer to this question. X equals 2.907. So y is 12, probably, well, based on this graph, if that's 1, and that's approximately 1-ish, and then there's 2, and then there's 3. So 2.9 is about right here. So here's 12. This point is 2.907 comma 12, and that's the x value is what I was looking for. That was 2.907. That's the value of x that'll make this function equal to 12. This is obviously very crooked. Okay.